Ni bina ka bugo ni ngol kor ni buli ana mataka di bagat nambe singi ko boy rosso bulu ko tulu me walu nak loko ana bina ka mika ana bina ka dems
ana bina ka
good morning, thank God it's Friday. It's the end of the week, of the working week. Good morning to all those tuning in, the Punja staff in Lautoka. Thank you so much for tuning in, celebrating 90 years with Navale Vitokoni from then until now.
Right. To Jay the Timbu, joining this morning, he sent happy birthday to Mana.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Happy birthday and everybody are joining this morning.
Thank you for sending the happy birthday, Masu. Thank you so much.
He said today. To the driver of taxi LT1230.
Right.
Na pasindia ke and to all the drivers out there tuning in this morning. Bibi talaga kimene na maramatina, kimene na bata wale bolinga. Back at home listening this morning. Andra ni mata binaka. Andra talaga kina mani na lubebi tu risam tu berbeza seburbura.
Right.
And the burbe toka dia na mata ko. Andra mabikito. Kena bono borong chu bikin makito na pan relation bikimni. And on the live page na mata kay dai.
Well, good morning to Peter Masilada and the family. Thank you very much for joining this morning. Everybody who being part of today is Friday.
Yes.
It's a very happy hour.
Today is the 13th.
Yeah.
Very fast.
Okay, I remember one day one girl was okay, happy birthday. Whose birthday?
Yeah.
Today is Mbumbu's birthday. How old is Mbumbu?
Yeah.
32. Mbumbu is 32.
Alright.
Amelia M. Verbasagang Bolulaka. Dol sa Tambay-Chone.
Right.
Dombulang kung ngayon bukas taxi base.
Right.
Oh, dombulang.
Very bula binaka and good morning to all those in Nanronga. They will be celebrating the Yavulo Day tomorrow. Thank you so much for the preparation and all. Pinawali sara tambusoro. Nasiyamu tumay ana mataka binaka ni kuwa.
Right.
Parinim na tatungani may Butcher. May Bui Richard. Pinawali sara nasiyamu may mataka ni kuwa mucho dolo bina. Wano ni binaka tatungani bikim ni kansarna. Matamu male na kini buira. Ni bola kaumbula. Eno buku ni soko lebu Yavulo Day ni mataka.
Nambute nandi menga toka sa dakatungo na dakatungo na ngonongo.
Right.
Alibrete nandela na Methodist High School Form 5 Obalau Ilesaratuba and not forgetting John Kumar.
Right.
Anala sa Rai Rainday and Pramendra sing joining this morning.
If you're watching live this morning, you can see Demes's haircut. He's got a new haircut today.
Right.
He cut his own
Untouchable
hair.
haircut.
He cut his own hair.
Right.
Okay. Go on the Nataro. I've always asked myself this question.
Right.
Dems, kaya ko rin yung how did our forefathers cut their hair? Dalawa rason na bun nga seru na sa tunga. Irna nang tongonele or nang maramilia. Era seru na katu nang bun nga bina sa tunga. Okay, baka sa mata ko. Sera ko si wala. How did they cut their hair?
They're using the stone.
Stone
Men though.
Oi.
Before they used the stone. Ngata daki sara na batu. May nakokomea.
Okay.
It's they use the stone before,
How?
They
They
bang their
sharpen.
head on the stone or what?
They bang the stone na tapos na new.
Yeah.
They sap the stone.
Okay.
Tuki.
Okay, how and where do they sharp the stone? Kira coach kita malu. Bataw
Okay.
mo nga.
Detail.
Gobi kibina ka naon din sa iliw. O do batarong sa iramen naman tangga sir the coach baka.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nowadays,
Yeah.
before the knights arrived Fiji,
Yeah.
they use stone for the war.
Yeah. Right.
They take one stone
Yeah.
to another stone,
Stone to stone.
stone to stone.
Yeah.
So they collide. The strongest stone,
Yeah.
that's a stone will be used as a knife.
Oi.
Okay.
And how
So-
did they sharpen that stone?
You collab, mo tukia,
Yeah.
and you use fire.
Oi.
Fire, then tuki.
Saan
Then from there,
Yeah.
you put in the water.
Yeah.
After water, put into the sun. Then you keep on file. File. And one day you'll just stick a hair like this.
Yeah.
In the stone.
On the stone.
Cut.
Boy.
Cut. You want? Yeah.
Oi,
That's how.
Now,
So that's why-
I know, first
Yeah.
time
Yeah.
to hear this.
That's why
Yeah.
you saw them, they never cut in like this, fresh cut.
Yeah.
Because stone is very big. May babaku.
Right.
They can't reach the bottom, they just use the top. And they use
Just cut the top.
sambitu.
Oh, yeah.
Use sambitu
bamboo.
to seru. Mera seru kina.
Sanjin.
Yeah.
Wouldn't be too.
Ayaw seranga. Okay.
Yeah.
We all know the story about non-rangolima na buntay.
Bunda.
Okay. Non-ralaki was a dems.
Yeah.
Please take us back to the 16th, 17th century.
Yeah.
Non-ralaki was a nguna. How do they come? How do they
They come by
navigate
canoe.
their
They come by canoe.
right? Yeah.
They
Small
come
one.
that big canoe.
Oh, okay.
They come by canoe. Before at that time, they use like Danrua. You use now Danrua.
Yeah.
The Utonialo.
Yeah.
That based on that's the strongest ship ever.
Based on the true
Yeah.
story.
Now
Yeah.
in the world. Because
Yeah.
they before campus arrive,
Yeah.
they use nature.
Oi.
They use nature to move them.
Right.
You see the star?
Iyo.
Na punar tukina na irimbuli,
Yeah.
ento na campus.
Oi.
They see the campus,
Yeah.
Iyo.
they see the month, they see the moon,
Yeah.
they know, okay, this is see, this July,
Yeah.
next year,
Yeah.
you'll see this moon too next year, on July.
How many moon?
There's only one moon,
Okay.
but the cycle, that change
But what do
the
people
shape
say?
of the
Many
moon.
moons away.
Many moons away because many girls away.
Woohoo!
That's why in Doki Doki,
Yeah.
all the song, nung Gundalumani based on the moon.
Oi!
Iyo.
Ayaw.
Moon.
Yeah.
Girl. Na iseraw nindo na pula, bata to bata takitu, na iseraw kindo na ngonelewa.
Okay.
Okay, to go ya.
Yeah.
He woke up this morning at 2 o'clock. Why?
Because of the moon.
Right.
Not because of the moon,
Is that
Yeah.
true?
because I sleep early.
You munu.
Munu muru. Today,
You too much munu.
yeah, you see that whenever you
Yeah.
see the moon
Yeah.
and on the moon,
Yeah.
menda udila sero tunabula.
Iyo.
Yeah.
You heard talking of the dog.
Yeah.
Like
Okay.
talking. And ang nangona bakos-kosan doon.
Yeah.
Of
Talking
the
of
dog.
what?
They talking to themselves. and
Talkative of the dog.
Talkative of the dog.
Yeah.
They talk. Ow.
Yeah.
You can. And ano naman yan sasa?
Magandua.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a
Kung
combination.
flex stuff mo, kung study turungin sa chika.
Yeah.
Next to the service station.
Alice Tony. Ow.
Yeah.
Here, Argentina.
Oi.
Sanjin.
Okay, that's how. Okay, first of all, that's how our forefathers cut their hair.
Yeah.
With the stone, you
They
Stop
use
on the
the
spot.
lada.
right.
The lada.
Right.
The lada before.
Yeah.
Cut the hair.
No. The lada. They use it from the coconut tree.
Yeah.
Oi.
Kona lada.
Yeah.
And also from the skin of the animal.
Kami Allah with you.
Nalada kona and they dula sewing
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Then they put it together
Yeah.
and they use it.
Like you said, we have the big one, the canoe,
Yeah.
and we have the dama, the small one.
Yeah.
How do they connect this one? Please.
They're using the
Dula.
not the one dula.
Oi.
Oi.
You if you heard this word from somewhere,
Yeah.
rawa mericula.
Oh, no, tukul mo ko na mangimang. Go sa do talakabo.
Iyo.
This is the first one for me.
Iyo.
First
Lawa-
time to hear this.
Yeah.
Wa mericula.
Right.
Iyo.
If no wa mericula, they use the mangimangi.
Okay, what is a one miracle,
What is
please?
our,
tell us?
explain.
Wa mericula,
Yeah.
you see some sona soba.
Iyo.
Erndo bulita kitiko.
Namme, wame.
Iyo na wa mericula.
Iyo.
Vikito na na wa mericula.
Oi.
Yeah.
Oh, what's the
Now, they do the noke and the...
The noke.
Yeah.
That is a
Kete-kete.
the strongest
Why the one that you use to your belt?
for belt melagusi. Sometime when
Yeah.
you go for horse ride
Yeah.
and your horse is very laziness,
Yeah.
you can use one mericula
To what? To right.
to hang.
Oi.
Yeah.
Oi, okay.
Sanjin.
Yeah.
Mericula.
That's very strong.
Yeah.
Now mericula.
Yeah.
You can tie something but had
What else do the our forefathers kila merkila?
Iyo.
Baka saya li sumibi kita nang ngono ko. Another thing?
another thing now.
Yeah.
From there
Yeah.
is how they now use engine.
Yeah.
Before they bother.
Yeah.
They bother or they put the ladder
Yeah.
Iyo.
to control them to where they want to go. But
Yeah.
if you control by the ladder, the wind will take you.
Right.
Okay.
But the one will control the direction will be at the back.
Yeah.
kon ando tal tuwi kon na ibode siya tama.
Iya.
Isang kay control tangi.
Me uli itu.
Ulia.
Iya.
Na uli may muri.
Right.
The wind just take,
Iya.
but you have to the direction from the back. Me uli itu.
Oi.
Iyo.
Oi, okay.
Sometimes there is no wind.
They use the roloka.
Oi.
The roloka you put on the side.
Iya.
You face backward.
Iya.
Use the roloka. You just like this, one roloka,
Yeah.
and another one like the uli from the back to control where, because you'll see. Because the one using the roloka that don't see the in front.
Iya.
Right.
Yeah.
Boy.
Yeah.
Ayaw sarang mga madal sa?
Ayaw,
Ayaw sarang okay. Ayaw sarang mga madal ko. Okay. Ocho speaker dan matak ni kuwa
Mai.
na vale bagabiti.
Yeah.
Take us through manda how do they build the vale bagabiti?
I still remember when I was young, we built one. I was in kindergarten. The last mbure Vale Bagaviti in the village.
Yeah.
It's very. That's why I want.
Story one.
Double story made the room another.
Yeah.
They everything. It's very hard for them to take because we go right to the way Ndambimbi.
Right.
We bring like the boy.
Yeah.
Look like the boy. We should go.
Missy.
Yeah, missy.
Yeah.
We bring that, we take it from the, and people carry the, nakena ndoka.
Luggage.
Sini ndoka, nasa ko na kaubamba.
Iya.
Kasi kasi kalabo ko na.
Yeah.
Idoka.
Na ito ko rin na bon.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, that thing,
Yeah.
and also the Nranimakita.
Yeah.
Right.
Because the Nranimakita, it's like oli, CCC.
Yeah.
That's why they use it because of the rain.
Yeah.
Right.
Because when rain touches the Nranimakita,
Yeah.
they like touching aluminium.
Yeah.
Tabi tayo nauza.
Wala na, women.
That's why
Ayaw sarang
no
ayaw.
Iyo.
Okay. And then?
And then the house finish.
Okay, sana bale, sana kita, waru na nito kubu na lumani bale.
Kubui.
Iyo.
Kubui, because the main thing about Kubui,
Yeah.
first, evil spirit run away.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second thing, if anything there does not supposed to be there,
Yeah.
Like what?
like because in that time,
Yeah.
snake they look for comfortable
Yeah.
place to live.
Yeah.
Because that time snake is everywhere.
Yeah.
They come some wild animal.
Yeah.
Because they like it because it look like a tree.
Yeah.
Right.
But it's dry.
Yeah,
They think
right.
that
Yeah.
it's their sleeping place.
Yeah.
Makan
Breeding
rosoba.
place.
Yeah.
Kemri no kado kemi isongori kade bita longo kemri no kado kon dar release kana bingon sauci ndu kila bina kamata ko embula mana kor. Ya na misi tinga taranga kene bale.
Right.
Kamanta bango ke sava tarano na bale ni bale bagabito de misi.
Yeah.
Ngai kena lalanga kena dokar na misi.
Right.
Lalanga talanga na misi.
Yeah.
Kembale ko duru era bale ame bagandonu na kere de misi.
Iya.
Era misi.
Iya. Matay. Gaya basama ta mo ba tibo on kay duro mo bali misi.
Yeah.
Dala mo misi. Lala nga misi. Wulo misi. Salaw nga na tasis. Tasis. Ruanga na tasis nga na tabasa. Hey!
Wana na bale bagabiti kata-kata nan raki malumbi na to.
Iya.
Doon naman ka.
Então pata-pata nan raki.
Iya.
Ko do kata-kata
Well,
bina.
Leo, get them in the list. Pinabala Punja celebrating 90 years.
Ano na kaluto mabolot ka ni Andre lo mabende mi si Rokotu.
Wili, mbulare miyaw.
Iya.
Nabunuan dami to kinova sumikuboy. Era pa na temoro.
Pasu.
Ana si inilibula. Misa kuboy na studio. Iyo, kakit ko minta takaba. Singa wala nga ni studio, naku ni sala na lo.
Lega chiro studio ngo ni lem chiro kan fire.
Kuwa, iyo kandina. Lalo ta sa putala mina alam. Saraw ni no mundo kurni na way, araw nindo no mundo kurni na way monoro.
Andra na kay ke hana.
Way sinarusa, mbulare miyaw, mbulare.
Bulre.
O miyaw na makani arnabi raw.
Kuno chiko dance.
Yeah.
Sana baru taray lolo ni sabol tikan kono chiko.
Iya.
Dano na ba.
Boleh kita tanum bola tarik kita tanum burkalo.
Iyo bani ba wel babits.
Sember tumantang na basa el tun telefon.
Siya nga rara na wel babits.
Iya.
Ni na role mo kaya kadure ni ndor dumuda.
Iya kandina. Baka sama binaka?
Iyo.
Iyo. Eko ngangi. Ena libu ni matanggali suru na ayar na lori tu wala.
Eda ba polso.
Sapani ndong bula binaka may sapani.
Bula.
Lina boss
Right.
nanimikin na Ben Seru tambo bitang umakyo leo anare sobu kay Mastayoda.
May say puro sigo.
Ah.
Wano ni mdak tani wano tim na korome na malata. Waray na lenga.
Oh.
Junior tamani balon tung boleh nak kesem sarsun ko ng Buwalo Hospital compound.
Yan ra.
Ang nak mo ni nak tuyan yan mata kanikwa. Aywa.
Alright, kita sa ba?
Donu.
Wani binaka, God bless you, love you all. Like,
Naka.
at setaka, go Fiji go,
Right.
all the best.
Naka, mo manda.